Fast reading. Feed the alligator all the words that begin with the sound t, like toast, tooth. Find the sound t, triangle, tie, truck. Perfect. Feed the dolphin the letters that say like horse. Find the sound Good job! You've earned a new animal for your zoo. Pick an animal from the tray to play with it. Press the back arrow to continue playing and earn more animals. Choose a habitat for your animals. Feed the giraffe all the words that begin with the sound like milk, mug. Find the sound moon, dinosaur, lemon, bottle, moon. Hut, mailbox, fly, strawberry, mailbox. Vase, truck, mitten, heart, mitten. Jam, rain, lock, milk, milk. You rock! Drag a letter up to spell the word bag. Drag a letter up to spell the word jet. Drag a letter up to spell the word win. Drag a letter up to spell the word wax. Drag a letter up to spell the word bat. Nice! Pop the bubbles with the letters that make the sound t, like toast. Find the sound